Hey guys, so for today's video I created this all matte, smoky, kind of warm toned eyeshadow look with the Melt Cosmetics Rust palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my eye with some concealer. I just used the Tarte Shape Tape. And then I did set my eye with the translucent powder. I'm going to start with Erode on a Sigma E35. And this shade's going to go pretty much like all over my crease. I want this shade really blown out. And I'm making sure to get enough yellow right in here, kind of in my inner lid and inner crease. Alright, there's the yellow. It's just kind of all over the place. Now I'm going to take Rubbish on the same brush, and this shade's going to be focused more on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to switch to a smaller tapered blending brush. This is a Sigma E25, and I'm going to take the shade Rust, and I kind of have it on like one side of my brush, and I'm just going to pat this on the outer half of my lid to deepen it up. And then I am bringing it up into my outer crease right out here. These shades just blend so beautifully together. Like, I really don't have to try that hard to make these shades work. These shades are just so easy to work with. I'm going to take a little bit more of that yellow Erode shade and just kind of dust that on my lid. I'm not going to do any shimmery shades on my lid today. I just want to keep this nice and matte looking. Alright, I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just kind of going for like a really blown out look. It's not messy looking, but it's not like perfectly put together. Alright, I think I want to do like a little shadow smudgy eyeliner. I'm going to take Wrought Squared on a Sigma L06, and I'm just going to run that along my lash line. Alright, that is good for now. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna take more Rubbish on a Sigma E30, and this is gonna go along my entire lower lash line. And then I'll just take that clean little blending brush again and just blend right along here. I'm gonna go pop on my mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, for the eyes, I popped on Velour Lashes Feeling Myself. And here are the eyes close up. And here is a full face. I did a full face today because I'm gonna film another video after this. 2 videos in one day. That's a lot of work. In case you're wondering, my foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way. This is just such a good foundation. I always forget how much I love it whenever I wear it. And my lipstick that was just all over my teeth is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude in the shade Jennifer. To me, this is kind of like a My Lips but better color. This is what it looks like swatched. Like, it's so pretty. And then on top of that, I put on a really nude lip gloss. This is the ColourPop Fairy Floss, super nude. And this is my makeup for the day, and I freaking love it. I feel so pretty. I really think that Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows are so freaking good, and if you haven't tried their formula, you need to. You guys saw how beautiful the mattes are. They're so pigmented. They blend so easily. They're buttery. Like, everything you need in a shadow, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.